Did you take $1,600?
Nope.
Why did you tell the other manager that you did so?
Oh.
He admitted to taking it.
He told my boss no, but we saw it. He called me outside. He said he took it. If they'll give him an option to pay it back on Tuesday, he will. They don't want to give him an option. They wanted him arrested. So.
Okay. What makes you think he's going to run?
Oh, he told me he was going to run. He said he wasn't going to stay here and go to jail. He's been in prison before.
You know what he's been in prison before for?
Drugs.
Drugs.
On August 22nd, 2020, 5 officers investigated a retail employee theft case. One number defined the entire case, just over $1,600. The felony theft threshold in most states.
Hey, Mr. Chambers?
Yes, ma'am.
We'd like to speak with you, okay? You know what in reference to?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you take $1,600?
Nope.
Why did you tell the other manager that you did, sir?
Oh.
Hi. Officer Davis, Fulton Police Department.
Oh, Jesus. Step outside. Yeah, dog. So my boss had me to call y'all Chambers stole a deposit in the amount of $1,600. They wanted y'all to pick him up and arrest him.
Is there proof that he stole it?
We have proof on camera that he stuck the deposit in his pocket on Sunday. I have saw it, my boss saw it, and loss prevention have saw it.
Tell it to me.
He's about to run, I can tell you that.
Hold on just a moment.
Okay.
Say his last name was?
What's his name?
Ma'am?
What's his name? What's his name? He knows y'all called because of him?
Yeah.
How much was it?
1643 and some change.
Do you know his birthday or anything?
I have to look it up. Hey, the police is here. Can we email this video to them? Because they want to see what he put in his pocket also. But I'm finna let them see it, but they want to email it.
Yeah, we're gonna have to. The state attorney's office is gonna need it.
He said it can't be emailed.
Can y'all put it on a flash drive?
Yeah, that's what he just said, a
Yeah.
flash drive. Okay.
That's fine.
No, I don't. Okay, they're about to talk to him first and watch the video, and then I gotta get it uploaded for it. Okay. Alright, thank you.
Our captain's on the way. I don't want to go to the back and him run out the front, and he's not fully certified yet, so I don't want something to happen to
Okay.
you, just in case.
Not the biggest guy I've ever had to tackle.
That's not the point. It's more so,
Liability.
yeah, I don't want you to have to.
I don't want you to have to fight me either.
Have y'all spoke with him? What has he said?
I spoke with him. I just talked him into coming back in. He said he took it.
Oh, he admitted to taking it.
He told my boss no, but we saw it. He called me outside. He said he took it. If they'll give him an option to pay it back on Tuesday, he will. They don't want to give him an option. They wanted him arrested. So.
Okay. What makes you think he's going to run?
Oh, he told me he was going to run. He said he wasn't going to stay here and go to jail. He's been in prison before.
You know what he's been in prison before for?
Drugs.
Drugs.
How was he?
Dog.
He admitted to you this morning.
Yes, he just admitted it about 10 minutes ago.
What did he say?
He said that he. Good morning. He
This
said,
is the captain.
"Hey, Captain.
How are you?
I'd be better if I didn't have to deal with y'all."
He admitted it to her
He
and
just
told her that he was going
He
to
said
run.
he took it.
Where is he at?
He's in the
We haven't spoken
inside
with him yet.
What's his name?
chambers.
Oh,
Been to prison
blackmail?
before
Okay.
for drugs.
Okay. He did admit it to you.
He just told me standing out here that he took it. He said he's not going to tell my boss because he don't want to lose his job. They saw on the camera at 8:44 on Sunday morning. He rolled the bag up and put the bag in his pocket. He left here at a little bit before 3. He told us that he took the deposit to the bank, but another one of my employees picked him up. She dropped him off at the airport, a motel or something
Airport
here.
motel, yeah.
Okay, so he said he took it. He said he couldn't help himself. He got back on cocaine.
He offered to pay it back.
He said he'll
and
pay
they
it back
don't
on
want that.
Tuesday, but they don't want to. There's nothing I can do.
Yeah, we can't do Have you seen the video of it?
No, I didn't want to leave Aaron up here with
You
you.
wanted my boss number?
Aaron, what's his name?
To your right, as soon as you walk in.
Here's your daughter's license going.
The central legal question here is not guilt, but when constitutional protections actually apply. Miranda versus Arizona, 1966, protects suspects only during custodial interrogation by police. A confession made to a store manager, a private citizen, triggers no such protection at all. No federal law requires a business to accept restitution instead of pursuing criminal charges.
Wait right there. Uh-oh, sorry.
Mr. Chambers? Hey, Mr. Chambers?
Yes, ma'am.
We'd like to speak with you, okay? You know what in reference to?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you take $1,600?
No.
Why did you tell the other manager that you did, sir?
I don't know. Roger, you got
There's
your
a video.
weapons on you? No, sir. Okay, you don't mind if I pat you down real quick? You ain't got a box cutter or nothing? No. Let me pat you down. Roderick, it's on video, so be straight with me, dude. I know you done been to prison. I know all that. Yeah. And we want this to go smoothly.
Yes.
We ain't want anything more than to handle our business. Okay, dude.
Yes, sir.
I've been doing this a long time, and I understand that people get in positions. Okay.
Yes.
And I understand that you may have cocaine, bro. Okay. Is that true, Roger?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's be straight with each other. Did you take that money?
Yes, I did.
Okay. What I want you to do is turn around here and let this young man put some handcuffs on you, and we're going to ease out and go to my office. Okay?
Yes, sir.
All right? With no issue.
Yes, sir.
That's a big old man. Be sure you double lock them cuffs so they don't shut down on. Roger, where you staying at?
Go with mom.
You can call her. Who's your mama?
64850.
Put him in the car.
Here's my key.
Once police asked the same question before any handcuffs were applied, the answer stayed non-custodial. Berkemer versus McCarty, 1984, confirms that free-to-leave conversations do not require warnings. Even so, a confession must remain voluntary, not coerced, to be admissible under due process. Courts weigh tone, duration, and pressure when deciding whether a statement was truly voluntary. A pat-down before arrest raises a separate question under the Fourth Amendment. Terry versus Ohio, 1968, allows a weapon search when officer safety is reasonably in doubt. A known criminal history is a recognized factor courts accept when judging that reasonableness. Because no force was used, Graham versus Connor's excessive force standard is largely irrelevant here. Grading the response. Officers earn a B+ for calm, procedurally sound handling of the arrest. A small deduction applies for extended personal conversation that added little tactical or legal value. Grading the suspect a C for full physical cooperation paired with zero legal self-protection. Waiving the right to silence twice, once informally, once to police, weakened his position twice over. Key lesson: consulting an attorney before speaking costs nothing, while a spoken confession can cost a record. Second lesson: a rejected restitution offer can still matter later, even after charges are filed. Third lesson: statements made to any authority figure, badge or not, can become evidence later. Let us know if there is a legal topic you would like discussed in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more police court analysis.